Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2020 Can-Am RYKER Rally Edition, with 2,418 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, a keyless ignition, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a windshield, passenger backrest, LED trim, upgraded headlights, fog lights, custom wrap and graphics, and bar end mirrors. A bare-bones scale back from the Spider, the RYKER 900 Rally delivers thrilling power without the bulk of its siblings. Powered by an 899cc Rotax motor, it puts 82 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. It has a 26.6-inch seat height and a dry weight of 668 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.